Let us start this day with a prayer. Angelo, will you please lead the prayer?
Let us put ourselves to the holy presence of our Lord, Creator of all things, true source of light and wisdom, origin of all being. Graciously let a ray of your light penetrate the darkness of my understanding. Take from me the double darkness in which I have been born, and obscurity of sin and ignorance. Give me a keen understanding, a retentive memory, and the ability to grasp things correctly and fundamentally. Grant me the talent of being exact in my explanations, and the ability to express myself with thoroughness and charm. Point out the beginning, direct the progress, and help in the completion. I ask this through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Thank you very much. Good morning, class. My name is Sir Jehan, your teacher in Technology and Livelihood Education. Today, join me as we develop your life skills in Information and Communication Technology, or ICT. Miss Secretary, is there any absentees today?
Good morning, sir. There is none, sir.
Thank you very much. Yesterday we discussed about using and maintaining hand tools. So can you please tell me what are the different tools needed in a hardware repair? Who wants to answer? Okay, Angelo, what is your answer?
EST tools, hand tools, cleaning tools, and diagnostic tools.
Very good, Angelo. Okay, class, let's have some activity first before we start our new lesson. What are the gadgets inside your home? I'm giving you 5 seconds to search for it. Timer starts now. What devices have you found?
Smartphone, sir.
Laptop and tablet, sir. Sir, desktop computer.
Thank you, students. Those are examples of microcomputer. A microcomputer is the cheapest kind of the computer. It is designed for general use such as entertainment, education, and work purposes. Okay, now let's proceed to our new discussion. How do we use computer?
For editing pictures, sir.
For entertainment,
For education.
Thank you very much, students. No matter how we use it, computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It takes data using input devices, stored in its memory until it's ready to be processed in the processing unit, and sends out result using output devices. Electronic data processing, or EDP, is a cycle where data is being fed into a computer using the different hardware devices, processed by the central processing unit, then displayed by the output devices. Input devices enters data into a computer. Angelo, can you give us examples of input devices?
Keyboards and mouse.
Correct. Keyboards and mouse are input devices. A keyboard is one of the primary input devices that use into input data and commands. The process devices develop data input to produce output. Processing devices are memory and processor. These devices are used to process data with using of instructions from the program. A storage device saves the data or program for the future use. Ira, can you give examples of storage devices?
Hard disk and flash drive.
Correct, Ira. Hard disk and flash drive are examples of storage devices. Output device shows the result of the data input. Okay, Molly, can you give us an example of output devices?
Monitor and printer, sir.
Correct. Output devices are monitor and printer. It has the ability to convert information to a readable form. It can be text, graphics, audio, and video. Now let's move on to the computer system. Computer system is a collection of different parts that are designed to receive, process, manage, and present meaningful information format. It has three elements that makes a computer very useful. And these elements are hardware, software, and peopleware. Computer hardware refers to the physical part of the computer that can be seen and touched, including the internal and external part. These are the pictures of the different programs that we can use on the computer. Computer programs or software is a collection of electronic instructions that tells computer what to do. It has two types. One, system software, and two, the application software. System software is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer's hardware and application programs. An example of system software is the OS or operating system. An operating system or OS is a software that communicates with the hardware and allows other programs to run. Every desktop computer, tablet, and smartphones includes an operating system that provides basic functionality for the device. Common desktop operating systems include Windows, OS X, and Linux. Application software is a type of computer program that performs a specific personal, educational, and business function. Each program is designed to assist the user with a particular process, which may be related to productivity, creativity, and communication. An example of application software is the Microsoft Office, where you can create and edit documents containing text and images, work with data in spreadsheets and databases, and create presentations and posters. The last element is the peopleware. Peopleware refers to you, me, and all of us. Because without us, the computer cannot work on its own. Now that we have learned the different computer devices, classify the following computer parts by writing the letter I if it is an input device, P if it is a process device, S if it is a storage device, and letter O if it is an output device. You may write your answers on your TLE notebook. You only have 3 seconds to answer each item. Good job, learners! Now, let's have a recap of what you have learned today. We have learned the different uses of computer. We also learned about the elements of computer system. The first one is the hardware. The hardware includes input devices, output devices, process devices, and storage devices. Second one is the software. The software that includes the system software and application software. And lastly, the peopleware. They are the most important element of the computer system. Always remember, your brain works just like your computer. So make sure that you're the only one programming it. For your activity today, kindly get 1/4 sheet of paper. Identify the term that does not belong into the group. Write the letters of your answer. For your assignment, answer the following questions. How do you relate electronic data processing cycle to disseminate an information? Number 2, which do you think is more significant? Hardware or software? Thank you, learners. I hope you learned a lot about our lesson for today. Stay safe and God bless.